My dear students, in today's video, I will discuss some important topic in signal flow graph, that is called signal flow graph algebra. So signal flow graph algebra is nothing but it belongs to some rules and regulation. So let us first discuss the first rule of signal flow graph algebra, that is called addition rule. That is called addition rule. So addition rule is nothing but the value of variable represented by a node is equal to sum of all the signal entering to the node. So let us consider a node. So this is one node. Let us assume that this is the node X and this is the branches entering to this node. So we can consider here n number of branches entering to this node, but here I have considered only 3 branches. You can also take 4 branches, 5 branches or 1 branches, like that. Any number of branches can be taken. So let us assume that the gain of this branch is A and this branch is B and this is C, and let us assume that signal Y1, Y2, Y3 is flowing to this node. So addition rule means the value of variable represented by this node, that is X, the value of variable X is equal to total signal, that is sum of all the signal transmitted to this node. So that is AY1, that is the signal, means that is gain into this, the total signal AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3. So this is called addition rule, that is the value of this variable must be equal to all the signals entering to this node. So this is the addition rule, that is belongs to signal flow graph algebra. So next rule, that is called multiplication rule. Multiplication rule. When more than one branch, when more than one branch connected in series, it can be replaced by a single branch with gain equal to product of individual branch gain. So to understand this, let us draw a signal flow graph which is connected in series. So this is one signal flow graph. Let us assume that this node x1, x2, x3 and x4, and gain is a12, a23 and a34. Then according to multiplication rule, this can be replaced by a single branch with gain equal to product of individual branch gain. It means here there are three branches connected in series. This is the branch that is x1, x2. This is another branch x2, x3, and this is another branch x3, x4. And the gain is a12, a23, a34. And this can be replaced by single branch that is x1, and this is x4, where gain is the multiplication of individual gain a12 to a23 and a34. So this is called multiplication rule. Now let us find another rule. This is called multiplication rule. So rule number 3. Rule number 3. When more than one branch connected in parallel, when more than one branch connected in parallel, it can be replaced by a single branch. It can be replaced by a single branch with gain is equal to sum of individual branch gain. Sum of individual branch gain. So let us draw. So this is the signal flow graph. Let us assume that this is connected in parallel. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is the node x1, this is x2. Then we can replace by a single branch, that is x1 and x2, that is branch gain is equal to ABC. sorry, equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So this is called, that is rule for parallel branches. Then the next rule, that is called transmitting rule. That is rule number 4. Rule number 4. So let us draw a signal flow graph. So this is the node x, and this is y1, y2, y3, and this is a, and this is b, and this is c. Then this is called a rule of, this is the transmitting rule. That is, if the x is the node, then the x will transmit in all outgoing branches. If it consider for n node, then x will transmit in n number of node. So therefore we can find out, that is y1 is equal to ax, and similarly y2 is equal to bx, and y3 is equal to cx. So this is called rule of transmittance or transmitting rule. So thank you very much for watching this signal flow graph algebra.